Gumagano ka lang. Just to get the distance. Alright? Now that I have the distance, add the details. When I throw my straight, number 1, kailangan straight. And how do you make it straight? The right angle, the right distance. Because if I'm way too close, I'm not gonna throw a straight. I'm gonna throw other things. Uppercuts or body shots. Pero pag na-gauge ko na ng kamay ko, uy, pwede na to. Pag binato ko to, kompletong pihit, okay, rotation, corkscrew, bakit kailangan i-corkscrew to top? Kasi power, yes. Also, defense. If I corkscrew my punch, I am clipping this side of my face. A good indicator of a good straight is aside from it being straight, talagang nababato mo. Kasi shuffle mo yung balikan mo.
Tama.
Ano talaga? So it all boils down with your ankle. Now, roundhouse. Once na naibato mo na ito, kinetic chain, pwede mong ibalik for the roundhouse. Pero dahil nandiyan ka na rin naman, rotate mo na lang yung bewang mo, angat ng tuhod, at let it fly. As I mentioned, you don't have to be flexible para maganda roundhouse. Ang roundhouse, para maging round, it's all in the rotation. If I throw this and I rotate my ankle, ito talaga siya. Ulit. Bang! Ikot. Kuha. Right? Proper form. Dagdag. Huwag tigasan ang paa. Kasi pag tinigasan ang paa, scoop mo. Scoop mo ha. Halata. Okay. Scoop niya. Yan ang problema. Pag in-scoop ka, anong pwede mong gawin? Huwag mong ipilit na hatake na ganito. Subukan mo muna i-push forward. Once na i-push forward mo na, tulak, labas. Tulak para lumambot ng konti yung tuhod or pag nasa rin sa gitna ng katawan, sa gitna ng yan. Pwede may ganun. Pero kung sa gilid niya nasalo, okay, pwede mong itulak, pero dahil wala kang buwelo ng katawan, medyo i-limber mo muna, diagonally downward, where your toes, where your knees go, and then if you could strike with the back fist, do so.